What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. I know it has been a while since we posted the last video, but hopefully we can kickstart this year a little bit different and post a few more videos this time around. And you are going to keep the focus on stocks, crypto, and unboxing, random stuff, and keycaps as usual. You know how much we love keycaps on the channel. So today I'm back at you with another Jelly Key Joiha keycap. As you all know, this is one of my favorite keycap makers, and they were kind enough to send me the new Zenpond 4 group buy, which I've owned the other Zenpond group buys, and I have a video for that one if you'd like to watch it as well, for the Zenpond 2. But this Zenpond 4 is supposed to be a whole new colorway, and I can't wait to see what they send our way. And without further ado, let's get into it. Ladies and gentlemen, and here we have our Jelly Key box as usual, and this one is actually sealed, so let's open this little seal as well. As you all know, there is usually here a metal plate which will contain your serial number when you buy a Jelly Key keycap, but since they usually send me ones that are under production, they're quite unique because they don't really have a serial numbers, some of the ones that I get sent, so no plate for me. So as usual, we have our Jelly Key stamp and our nice wooden box with a little note on the back, always the classics from Jelly Key. And let's open it up and let's see what this Zenpond 4 is all about. And here we go, and this seems to be like a gray colorway, which is definitely a new style for the Zenpond. We're used to seeing the purples and the pinks and those kind of mixtures of colors, but here on the new Zenpond 4 you get this grayish tone. You also, I believe, get it like a rose tone as well. And guys, this is just amazing Jelly Key work as usual. So you can see the 3D fish in there swimming in the pond, and then when you look at the side you can see the splashes there, kind of like the colors just splashing upwards, which looks very fantastic. This looks great, guys. And looking at the side, it continues throughout the entire keycap. Just kind of this like splash going upwards. It looks really cool. This looks nice. And then you can see there's in there actually 1, 2, 3, 4 fish in there. And this is actually, if I'm not mistaken, enter key or shift key. I gotta take a look. But it's actually a bunch of fish in a very small keycap. This takes a lot of work just to do this. So, and remember, on the back you would usually have your serial number here, but as you can see, my stamp says not for sale. And usually you would have your Jelly Key stamp, and then you would have your serial number stamp, and always remember your Cherry MX stem to make sure that it does fit your keyboard. So let's put this on the keyboard and see how it looks. Alright, so as you all can see, here we have our SJ75 keyboard from TX Keys, and let's put this enter key here right on. And there you have it. Now, if you all can tell how amazing this looks, I can't even explain it. This looks cool. Just look at that. This is definitely going to catch some attention of anybody that looks at it, but the main person looking at it, the most important, is you, and you enjoying this type of keycap. So let's do a little bit of a sound test, and here I have some looped alpacas on this keyboard. So let's see how it sounds compared to a normal keycap. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so for my keycap viewers on the channel, I really hope you enjoyed that Joiha Jelly Key Zen Pond 4. This group buy is going to be live for the next 5 days. I believe it runs from the 17th of January. Check out their website. I will leave it the link down below for it. And if you really like the keycap, make sure to get on this group buy. Remember, group buys are only a one-time thing, and then once it's over, if you want to get that keycap, you have to get it on the secondary market, which is usually overpriced. So if you really like a keycap and you can afford it, don't miss it and go for it. And anything that you just get from Jelly Key is not just because they're one of my favorite keycap makers, but they truly put in the work in everything that they do. And personally, I just have never seen a flawed keycap or something that's just bad design or that it looks bad. They're always well polished and just very nice to look at every day. So with that being said, thank you all so much for watching. If you're a new subscriber and if you're a returning subscriber that hasn't seen one of my videos in a while, thank you for sticking around. That means a lot to me. And remember everyone, be kind to one another. And stay tuned for more videos coming soon.